Hello, welcome to London, and on a gloomy afternoon at that. It's about an hour before sunset. Apparently, this is golden hour. The colours and the hues, it's absolutely crazy. But yeah, I'm here for a nighttime shoot. I'm just gonna go around, see what neons I can capture. Haven't done that in a while, and it is winter time, so it's a better time to do all the neons and stuff because of how long you have nighttime for. Should be good, but I'm waiting for the sun to set. I'm just going around. It's been raining. It isn't currently, but it has been raining quite a lot. So there's a lot of puddles, a lot of reflections. So those neons are going to pop even more at night. But until then, let's get some warm-up shots done, see what we can see. This is quite fun. Just having the lines and shapes and stuff. And everything's coming together in a point, which is quite nice as well. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Just need someone to walk through in dark clothing to give a nice little silhouette. That's quite cute. Two little kids in this frosted glass window, their silhouettes up against it. That's quite a little sweet moment, isn't it? I've just come out of Starbucks getting myself a drink to keep warm this evening. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. So I've seen a bit of light with a lovely bit of reflection. I do like it. Just get the silhouettes as they walk past. Nice bit of neon, black and white. It does work. You need a certain size in the frame though for it to really stand out. That's quite a good one because they are nicely framed and silhouetted with a bit of rim lighting around their heads. Nice little effect. And because it's been raining, you get a lovely bit of reflection as well. Right, another thing, literally like 10 steps away. I don't know why I don't come to the scoop area of Tower Bridge more often at night, because there's a ton of opportunities like this right here. Looks really cool when you can capture people walking through, create a lot of negative space in the surroundings, and just wait for someone to walk past the window at the bottom, and you get a nice silhouetted subject. I'm all about them silhouettes, me. Love them. These stairs look fun. Now, I don't know if I'm going to actually be able to get anything, but this is at the Shard. We might be able to get something, but I don't know. we'll have to wait for the stairs to get quiet, and then we'll go from there. Right, I've made it to the Shard. It's just literally there. And they've hung all Christmas lights on it, which means with the wet floor, there's a nice pool of light and an element of light above as well, which gives a lovely bit of silhouette as people walk in their frame. I'm gonna try and get someone on their own, but I'm not sure whether that's gonna be possible, to be honest. It's like 5 p.m. If that. Might not even be 5. No, it's 10 to. Winter. Love it. Okay, from London Bridge Station, which is where the Shard was, I've taken a couple of stops on the Jubilee and I'm now at Canary Wharf. I don't usually come here, and that's sort of the plan in my thought process for this video. Yes, it's nighttime photography, but I'm trying other places as well as Soho. Soho's the place that everyone seems to go for street photography at night. There are other things, especially at Christmas time when there's all lights up and stuff like that. So we will find stuff. I'm going to do a quick loop around Canary Wharf and then I'll go probably Soho and finish up there because it's good at this time of year, or any time of year, to be honest. You've got to enjoy getting lost because I don't walk around Canary Wharf nearly enough. But at night, there's tons of pockets of little light sources, like this place, for example. It's very quiet, but occasionally a solo subject walks through here. And yeah, it's quite nice to get a silhouette. And with the light being at the top and then just reflecting on the sides with this darker patch down here, it sort of frames the subject as well. It should be pretty good. Just got to wait for the person. I won't wait here forever, but I'll wait a little bit. Okay, next stop is Soho. I've got out of Tottenham Court Road through the Elizabeth line, and just outside it is this little food Christmas market thing. There's some really nice red light being absolutely flooded everywhere, so I'm gonna see what I can get here, then mooch through Soho, move towards Piccadilly and probably end around Covent Garden Embankment way. And that'll be a good little nighttime walk, I think. I've really enjoyed it so far, and I've got some good pictures as well, so that's always a bonus. I missed every single one of them, but basically it stinks here. So I'm doing this for the shot, purely for the shot. You can get some really nice silhouettes passing through this phone box because there's some backlight behind there, and you can capture people in the phone box, which looks quite fun. Is it worth the smells? I'll find out. Right, Piccadilly Circus, we're at it. It's busy. I haven't seen too much, but I'm still looking. I mainly wanted to come here to see the Christmas lights, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I'm just looking for little patches of light. These staircases going down to the underground are always good. But yeah, there's plenty of time. After here, I'll do a little walk, see more of the Christmas lights, go down to Embankment. If I don't find anything, I've definitely got some good shots today. I've seen this bus stop. It's pretty cool because there's like nothing on one of the screens. None of the advertising is actually on it. So if I can capture someone walking in front of it, really clear and defined silhouette. Whether anyone's going to walk in front of it rather than behind it is a different story, but I'll wait for a little bit and see what happens. Right, that is me done for the evening. Not as many photos around Soho as I'd like, but overall, a really fun and enjoyable evening walking around taking some pictures. I hope you are having a great Christmas break. This video is going to be going out on the 28th, so hope Christmas was good. I hope you're all fattened up with loads of turkey and you're doing whatever you're doing best. Enjoy the festivities. I'll see you in the new year. Bye-bye.